Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to easily activate your Citi credit card so you can start using it without any delay. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new Citi credit card along with any documents that came with it. Have your card, social security number, and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official Citi activation website at citi.com/activate or log into your Citi online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section and enter your card number along with any other requested information. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. You can also activate your Citi credit card by calling the number listed on the activation sticker or the back of your card. Follow the automated instructions and provide the requested information, including your card details and personal information. You may also be asked to set up a PIN if your card supports it. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is activated successfully, you will receive confirmation either online or through the phone call. Your Citi credit card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and any Citi services. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.